about the context of knowledge representation and atomless Boolean algebra. In the concept related to the example, I like chocolate. Do we just need to define the relationship like between the two, and Tao will know I like chocolate, without explicitly defining what is I and what is chocolate? The meaning of I and also chocolate can be broken down into infinitely many meanings. Defining the relationship like between I and chocolate is the main thing. By focusing on relationships and constraints within the atomless Boolean algebra framework, we can effectively capture and reason about knowledge in a flexible and scalable manner, without the need exhaustive definitions of every concept. Is my understanding correct?
Regarding atomless Boolean algebra, there is a difference between whether the language makes an atomless Boolean algebra or the objects that the language define make an atomless Boolean algebra. And we are about the first option. So when you say I or chocolate, it is not necessary to be able to break them to infinitely many parts. They can be one part. But the language makes an atomless Boolean algebra because every sentence can speak only about finitely many concepts, and you can always create a sentence that speaks about one concept that the other sentence didn't speak about. So the language can be broken, but it got nothing to do with the objects themselves. For another thing, the KRR abilities of the Tau language as for itself is for now very limited. It's an ongoing effort by us to enhance knowledge representation abilities directly in the Tau language. However, the Tau language, as we already know very well, is a language extension mechanism, and that's the reason we work on the two-variable fragment with counting. This is a very good knowledge representation language, so it can be seen like a two-layer design where we have the two-variable fragment with counting when you can do significant KRR, and on top of that we have the Tau language.